Oblak, oblak. Dilam.
20 seconds to shoot. Number 2, push. Second personal, first team foul.
Idol! 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 Kaya!
Okay, pagbigyan na.
10 seconds to shoot. Winning na. Shot clock 7 seconds. 7 seconds on the shot clock.
Gawas! Gawas!
Foul. Out of bounds, turnover. Exactly.
Gabon kayo.
Reset 14. Reset 14. To play, Salazar. Salazar, number 21.
This is the championship game. Ano ba na black? 17 under? 30. Ha? 30. Ah, 30 under? Oo.
Salazar, illegal. Mustafa. Initial for Salazar.
Wala premium black.
Other team.
Wala premium.
6 minutes, 9 seconds.
Ha? Ah,
6 minutes, 9 seconds.
Mantap lung-lung dia modul ada. Oh? Nah, kombinasi yang kayak gini kayak jam dia.
Oh, kali.
Ha?
Oh.
Yang
Sugar lah. Bengkas ni kan.
ini satu lah Pak.
Orang pelaro ni mo.
Dia bago-bago apa?
Ni tu dia lagi dia. Ada dia. Ya awak ni apa awak buat dia ke jam ni ke. Buku dia. Buku.
Eh, Bo? Ha? Apa?
Oh,
Ah, kedakuan anak ni no.
Dapat ke anak ke bulu ya nak wala itu.
Hey!
26 Pancito Indonesia. Turn over.
Yo!
Sino yapon? Sino yapon?
To play. 5 minutes 20 seconds remaining time. Tempo Fernando to front. Exactly 5 minutes.
Clock 11. Time to shoot.
Yeah.
5.
Stop.
Salazar. Out of bounds. 3 minutes 32 seconds. 3 minutes 32 seconds.
Hey! Hey!
Substitution. Regarding kilometer. Salazar number 21. 3 minutes 32.
Take time lang, ikapoy mo. Okay, Muslim.
10 seconds to shoot. Position 2 points. Exactly 3 minutes. Reverse wala. This is set 14 to press Abel Calamba. 2 minutes and 47 seconds.
Clear, boy!
10 seconds to shoot.
Cut, cut!
5. Reset. 24. 20. To press 46. Lintas Kamangin Gulon 2 minutes 6 seconds 2 minutes 6 seconds Shot clock remains 17 Shot clock remains 17 Exactly 2 minutes. Lintas ang may alam. 2 minutes. 1 minute 50 seconds.
Boy!
1 minute 40.
Boy! Free boy!
10 seconds to shoot. 5. Finish your Hondayan to points. 1 minute 20 seconds. Gandhi, 2 points. 1 minute 10 seconds.
Jay! Skill low! Low! Low!
60 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. And the shot to points. 50 seconds.
Boy!
40 seconds. Shot clock reset 40. Shot clock reset 50. 50 seconds. Ligtas ang may alam. 7 seconds. Out of bounds. 1 second. Time out. Barangay Shooter, second and last time out for the first half, Barangay Shooter. 1 second. Isa na lang yun. Back to the building from the judge timeout. 1 second. And our first half. Official will start at the end of the first half. 14-8.
Isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ito po pala yung tagapaglingkod. Sobrang pasalingkod.
Nation of
Nandito po pala tayo ngayon sa championship game ng Barangay City at Kalibunan. Dito po sa Cabanatuan City. Katabi ko po pala yung The Legend Shooter. The Legend Shooter of 1990s. Oblak Panchito. Legend nga.
Ilan na ba nakabutas ang inyong Ilan na ba nakabutas?
Ang uyo Paipi pa Cesar Lumanta, the legend of the point guard of Barangay City. Cesar Mercado Lumanta. The legend. The legend of Usab. Usab, nakadugay. Usab na. Pinabula.
It has been such a very tough competition in the Interbarangay Basketball League of the Athletes Sports Fest 2025. To light up the point, entertain us and bring us that beauty energy, here comes a performance full of power, style, and summer vibes. Make some noise to the face courts of Cabanatuan City, the Sadong Festival Agusan del Norte Barangay 9 Dance Clash Competition Champion, the SK Federation of City of Cabanatuan.
Wala ba kayong mga tanong? Okay.
Ilan
Sakit.
Round of applause. Thank you. Very good.
Guys, ito ba?
Relax, relax lang. Dali, dali. Masig na may ganahan mo, Presidente. May ganahan mo, sir. Hanggang pag-ako ginagawa na lang. Okay, back to the building for the resumption of the second half, third quarter. Beginning of the second half. Position of Promotor Ano, Barangay Kalibunan.
Tol! Nice, Tol!
Ini. Aha. Ahora yun, number 25. Kahanap ng initial. First, of the team. Another foul. Number 25, second personal. Second number team. Shot clock reset for team. Shot clock reset for team. 10 seconds to shoot. Salazar, 10, 3. Ayan, we're ready. We're ready to play. Really fun. Sampai Pilar. Wow. Tahilo. Recover ready. Recover ready. Out of bounds. Single. Shot clock 11:15. Shot clock 11:15. Shot clock 11:15. Number 5 of Barangay City, number 7 of Kalibunan, one inning for technical for unswitchable right fielder. Salazar, Pilar, Belvio. Simple.
Dili man black.
6 minutes,
Dili man.
3 seconds. Shot clock running.
Ah, black sila na.
15 seconds. Ogado number 27, blocking foul. Five minutes taken. In seconds to shoot. Ball goes out of bounds. Turn over. 5 minutes, 18 seconds. Ogado, Supply. Exactly 5 minutes. Gustavo Pilar. Adrian Palamba, support. Out of ball. Turnover. 44-36 on the score. 44-36. 4 minutes 13. Finish for Lunanta. Exactly 4 minutes. Three minutes and 50. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 30. 3 minutes and 30. Charge for Barangay Kalibunan. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Balik sa second, Sansa. Table stand out. Okay. Back to the game from the Church Timer of Kalibunan. 3 minutes 16 seconds. 3 minutes 16 seconds.
Bas.
10 seconds to shoot.
Gawa.
Rebound. Sandigan. Jalen surprise. 2 minutes and 30. Well, there's the bonus over there. Last touch from Columbus. 2 minutes and 30. Two minutes, 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Five. Set. Nice. Number 28. John Paul Colombo. 1 minute 50 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Reventa. 1 minute 30. Alvin Calamba, 2 points. 1 minute 20. One minute 10. 10 seconds to shoot. 60 seconds. Sebuah Salazar 40 seconds. Seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. 15 seconds. Dino Pilar, 10 seconds. 5. After quarter, official announcement, the end of third quarter, 44-52 in favor of Barangay City.
Calcium di ka, no? Calcium na record eh. Dagang kayo mo veteranong player sa Barangay City, si Calcium Manakot.
Back to the program for the resumption of the third and final quarter. Well, let's start the ball symbol. Shot clock 10 seconds. Deliberate football. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Symbol. Shot clock 10. Subtracted. Pass to the shoot. Number 28. John Paul Colombo. Illegal contact to the head. Bonus 2. Mulambot, that was your second. First on the team. Ball is through for Sandika. Allowed. Score 54-54. Alright. The ball is turned over. Ten seconds to shoot. There's a foul. Number 17. Second move. 2 out of 2 for Tebas. 46-54. Ten seconds to shoot. Ball goes out of bounds to Ruben. Timeout. Highway City. 6 minutes, 14 seconds. Timeout. 14 seconds. Dua-dua nila. From the third quarter, relevant time 6 minutes 13 seconds. The set is 76 minutes. Simple. Set remaining 17 seconds. Set remaining 17 seconds. The set, now, support, Sandaya. There's a foul. 5 minutes 26 seconds. Number 7 Pilar. The legal time to behind. To progress. Initial second of the team. 5 minutes 26 seconds. First through, 1 point. Last throw, into the rebound. Sablan. Ricardo Salazar. Central, basket is good. Number 18, Sandigan, illegal contact to the head. Bonus goal. Second for Sandigan. Second of the team. 5 minutes, 6 seconds. Bonus goal for Central, Colombo.
Black. Kalipat mo sa patasan ng malak.
For point play.
Dahil sila ba? Muna ako.
Sila?
5 minutes. Number 2, holding. Kalambahan at pressure third.
Dahil sila biyo ba?
Third of the team. Shot clock remaining 15. Shot clock remaining 15. Shot clock 10 seconds. Four minutes 40 seconds. Allow rebound Sandigan. Minutes 21 seconds. 4 minutes 21 seconds.
Relax ba, relax ba. Dali. Ay, padala player kansan. Dali, dali.
4 minutes 4 seconds. Exactly 4 minutes. Three minutes 50. You team control. You team control. Number 18, offensive foul. 18, Sandigan, the pressure third. Sudah padala sa inyo sa ulo. Foul. Conchita number 26, heavy.
Ayun, mga ito.
Second personal. Right is on against both teams. Right is on against both teams. Central 10. Ivan, Kalamba, support. Score. 59. Seconds to shoot. Go, 10 minutes, 79 seconds. Minutes, 19 seconds. 10 minutes, 19 seconds. Isa na lang na 2 minutes, 19 seconds. The presence of the honorable 55, 59. 55, 59. Dapat tayo yan. Isa naman isa sa free throw. Uh, 2 minutes, 19 seconds. Minutes, 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5, plus 2 minutes, 1 minute and 15. There's a foul, number 26. Penalty, nagsiga na to. 1 minute and 52. 1 minute 52 seconds. Pancita for personal team penalty. 1 minute 52 seconds. Okay, back to the game.
Rep! Rep! Rep!
Last throw, leading to the ball. 1, half of 2, 1 minute 52. 150. 56-61. 140. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Ratio. 1 minute 51. 130. 120. It's a handle. Shot clock 11. Shot clock 11. Shot clock 11 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. And only Andrea, 1 minute time. 60 seconds. 55 seconds. Turn it there. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Recover. Reset the team. Alright. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. Surprise. 15. 15 seconds. Okay, nag-concede na. Winning! Barangay City, champion. Thank you. Barangay California.
Ito guys, champion Barangay City guys.